Hi friends, in this video, we will learn how to accept an input from the user and use it in the program. The input function allows the program to ask for some new input data from the user. When this function is encountered in the code, the Python interpreter waits for the user to type a response, which is read as a string and assigned to a variable. For example, when you execute name equal to input in the Python shell, the Python interpreter waits for the user to type a response. Let us type EdPunk and hit enter. EdPunk is read as a string and assigned to the variable name. You can display the value of name which outputs the string EdPunk. The function also has optional string argument, which is used as a prompt message for the user. Let us take the same example and pass a string argument enter name to the input function. This string argument is used as a prompt message, after which you can type your response. In this case, let us type edpunk and hit enter. The response is read as a string and assigned to variable name2. You can display the value of name2, which outputs the string edpunk. Often the program requires numeric input from the user. In such cases, the user response can be converted into integer or floating point number using the type conversion functions int and float. For example, num equal to int of input enter n accepts a number from the user, say 10, and converts it into an integer and assigns it to num. We can verify the type of num, that is int, and its value is integer 10. Similarly, pi equal to float of input enter pi accepts the value of pi from the user, which is 3.14, and converts it into a floating point number and assigns it to the variable pi. We can verify the type of pi, that is float, and its value is the real number 3.14.